So today we're visiting IKEA and I'm so excited to show you. So basically we wanted to buy some furniture for the toy room and study room. We're setting up for a little one. So we just want to check around and see if we can find something nice. Cool idea for some books and toy storage, and then looking forward we have some more ideas, and I think that's a really good one for toys. I really like that one, but will we have a toy storage unit? So I don't think I'll go for that one. So we've finally decided the writing table for Umar. I think that would be a perfect one, so he could keep his iMac on that one as well, with like a computer and writing table. Together we can store some, and then this would be perfect for storing books and notes and files for each subject separately. We were looking around, getting some inspiration for the room deco. We decided to sit down and eat something. So here's a little cafe slash restaurant inside IKEA. After IKEA shopping, we decided to go for a movie. So here we are at IMAX cinema, and we're watching Super Pets because my little one wanted to watch that movie since a long time. And we bought the tickets, popcorn, and coffee for myself because I'm really craving for one. And there we are, enjoying a movie. Okay, see you then. Bye bye.